My drivers do not know that windshield can be damaged easily. Damage to the windshield begins with small fragments invisible during driving. A windshield film attached to automotive windshield is a special film solution to protect glass against unpredicted situations. A conventional windshield film made of thick PET material requires a high level of molding technology at the time of its installation. For this reason, it's hard to apply the film to highly curved glass due to physical limitations. Fusion, newly released by Clif Designs, supports easy workability of windshield filming, which has required high skillfulness so far. In addition, since its film material is TPU, no molding process is needed, and it's possible to install the film easily and quickly without any professional skills. This urethane-based windshield film with a new type of convergence helps to shorten an installation time. Thanks to its easy installation, Fusion has more thickness and far stronger resistance for impacts than PET films. By minimizing spread of pieces of broken glass, it protects drivers and passengers. Aside from that, Clif Designs' unique hard-coating technology applied to the film surface helps to lessen the film surface damage caused by wipers. In others, it has the self-healing function to automatically heal fine scratches through natural light or external heat, excellent hydrophobicity, and anti-pollution function.